welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making a jerk marinade. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is perfect for your jerk pork and your jerk chicken. All right. So I'm just going to show you first. I'm going to use my scallion. So I'm just going to give them some big chop like that. You don't need to cut them smaller than that. Okay guys, I just want to tell you guys I appreciate you all so much. Continue to share my videos. Continue to like my videos, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Alright? So I have my smoothie blender here. I'm just going to put everything in. You can use your regular blender, nothing wrong with that. Or your food processor if you have one. So guys, please give me a thumbs up. Because when you like the video, it push me further so more people can see my video, so a wider audience, right? So please remember to like the video. It's very important, guys, please. All right, so I have some garlic cloves here. So I have 7 garlic cloves here. All right, so I'm just going to cut that. Cut it like that. No specific way of cutting the garlic. All right. There, and then we're going to add them in the blender as well, like that. I just love fresh seasoning. It smells so good. All right, and I have my ginger here. I'm just going to cut it like that. You can cut it any way you want, people. And then you just place everything in a blender. I have an onion, a medium onion. So I'm just gonna cut that into 4 pieces like that. And then we just slice it again like that. All right. And then we're gonna put it in just like that. Beautiful. So guys, I have a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to put that in. So we also have our mixed spice, which is cinnamon and nutmeg, all right? So we're going to use 1 teaspoon of that also in there like that. We also have our sugar that we're going to use a teaspoon as well in there. The sugar, so a teaspoon of sugar in there. We also have our soy sauce. We're going to use a teaspoon too, which is on the saltier side. So the soy sauce is a little salty. So we're going to use our soy sauce as well. In there, like that. Some spills, so I have to clean that up. Let me just clean this. All right. Then we have our browning that we're going to use 1 teaspoon as well. Alright, so use our browning. So what that does, it gives it the color. Alright. We're also going to use some oil. So I have vegetable oil that I'm going to add to it. You can use whatever oil that you want, people. So we're just going to add some vegetable oil to that. That's fine, I don't need any more. And we're just going to cover like this. Look at that, guys. So we're going to blend it. This smells so good, people. All right, I'll be back to show you the finishing touch. So I have my fresh thyme. Just going to remove that part. All right. And we just take the leaves off from the stem, like that. Yeah. So then we're just going to continue until it's finished. Just remove, because we don't need the stem in, guys. So that is that. Like that, and they're beautiful. There's a stem in there, we have to remove that. We don't need it. Alright. Then I have my pimento seeds. We're gonna also place that into the blender as well. Spice up the thing. So there we have our pimento seeds. We put that in there. Like that. And I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. This is very hot. Like very hot. So what we want to do is to just remove the seed because it's hot bad. Alright? And we just place them into the blender. Hot. So just gonna leave those 2 seeds in there. So this is a very big Scotch bonnet pepper. I also have a red one. I'm not gonna use it because this one is fine. Then we just cut it and put it in there, guys. This is really hot. That pepper is really hot. Alright. So I also have my lime. So we're just going to use that as well. Sorry guys, I didn't remove the seeds, so I'm doing that. So this is a lime. We're going to squeeze it in also, like that. Squeeze a lime in there. So that is beautiful. Put there. Okay guys, so the blending process is finished. So I'm just gonna pour it into my jar. Okay guys, look at all this goodness. I'm gonna pour it in. It smells so good, look at that. Oh, it smells really delicious. Very nice, look at that guys. It's beautiful. Time for your chicken or your pork. Nice. There you go guys. My jerk marinade. Beautiful, look at that. Thank you all so much for always supporting. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.